So right now we are going to a waterfall, and this is a scene from Aambey Valley, right? So waterfall, I hope you can see the stairs as well. जो है it's a mild slope, and the waterfall is on the right hand side, and maybe the waterfall is a bit ahead और थोड़ा ऊपर है. चढ़ते हैं. Team members are coming. Yes. यहाँ पे स्लीपरी हो सकता है, and I am wearing a leather shoe, so has to be doubly cautious. So I'm moving alone. तो वाटरफॉल के बीच में से बनाया हुआ है. This is something really good, which I have never seen. And you can actually climb the waterfall. See, the water is trickling down from here, and we are moving up the waterfall. This is impressive. And if you could see these bars, यहाँ पे तो बारिश दिन भर होती है, तो यहाँ पे रस्ट नहीं लगेगा. They are already painted. So थोड़ा gentle steep है, but still not out of breath. Oh, I think the stairs are going to be steep. Yes. चलो चलो, बुलावा आया है. अरे एप्पल